This is the Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Chicken and Vegetable Dinner. This one here is for dogs senior 7 years and older. I picked this up in a 12 pack. I usually get 2 cases, so I get 24 at one time. 12.5 ounces per can right here. This was recommended for our dog by our vet. He's over 7 years old. He's about a 17-pound dog. He eats half a can of these twice a day. So pretty much we go through 1 can a day. But anyways, this is just really great stuff. This is the chicken and vegetable dinner here. You can see it just opens up. It's got this pull tab here. You'd see it just like a pate inside here. So what we do is we just basically take a half of this and put it on a plate for him. You'd see her just scoops out really nice and easy. So just, you could see it's got the vegetables right here. This is a really great brand. We switched to this a long time ago. He's been eating the Blue Buffalo for a long time. You just see it's got the vegetables inside here. And then what we do is after we're done with half of it, we just put this can container on here. These come in really handy. And then we'll just store it in the fridge for the rest of the day. But yeah, he eats a half of this per day. So just really good stuff here. Like I said, our vet recommended he switch to the Senior 7+, and he's been very happy with it. The transition from the normal beef, chicken, turkey they were feeding him from Blue Buffalo was no problems. He didn't have any stomach issues or anything like that. It was a very easy transition, but this is really good stuff. He really likes it. Really good ingredients, and highly recommend this. Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Chicken and Vegetable Dinner for senior dogs 7 and over.